how to take a screenshot in laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can take a screenshot in laptop, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to take a screenshot in laptop, it is actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is, whether you're using whichever brand laptop doesn't really matter, because as long as you're using Windows 11 the process is pretty much the same. All you have to do is, on your keyboard of your laptop, just press the Shift, Windows and S button together instantly, and this little menu is going to open up. Now first of all, you can take this screenshot for a specific region. So let's say I want to take a screenshot for only this task manager. I can simply drag my mouse like this to take the screenshot of that specific region, and the screenshot has already been saved, which I'll tell you later how to find them. But if you want to take a full screenshot, first of all, again repeat the same steps: Shift, Windows and S, and open the snipping tool. Now to take a regional screenshot you have to select this icon, but to take a full screen screenshot you have to select this icon here that says full screen mode. So select that option. As and when you do that, it will successfully take the screenshot. And to find that screenshot, you can go to File Explorer, go to Pictures, go to Screenshots. Here is a screenshot that we took of a particular area, and here is a screenshot that we took of the full screen. And this way you'll be able to take screenshot in laptop. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.